Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will learn about seq, okay, sequence command. So if I ask you to create a file which is having counting from 1 to 1000, how will it do? Will do vi and make the entry? No, there is a command sequence 1000, okay, and the sequence will get in a file transfer. Okay, how it will take the input of this command and save in a file like test. So if you do cat test, you'll get 1000 line enter here. But if you want to do print 100 line, it will print. So sequence, if you do 10, it will enter the 10 lines. Okay, with counting. So if we are saying sequence 50 in test file. So what is happening here? It will print sequence from 1 to 50 and overwrite the test file which is already having 1000. So cat test. Okay, now I will run again and from this will make it 5. Okay, so 50 again counter will start 1 to 50 because 1 to 50 is already present and I am appending that file with a 5 sequence. So sequence will start 1 2 3 4 5. Now we'll see. Okay, post 50 file got appended 1 2 3 4 5. So that's how you can use the sequence command. You can give any sequence and further you can check the man command. Okay, print a sequence of number, format separation screen separators equal, these are things you can check syntax here, just sequence. Okay, so sequence 1 interval of 2 30 override test cat test. Okay, so but from 2 to 30 it has executed. Okay, if I want to start from 10, so it will do 10 to 30. So count started from a 10 to 30. CQ sequence 3 to 9, starting with 3 ending with 9. This is how we can print, and according to our need we can redirect to any file or a direct file or some append a file. Okay, so that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Bye bye.